actually suppose during the year 2025-26, the actual earning we can calculate at the end of 2026. From which day the income tax previous year starts? From 1st April of one year and it ends on 31st March of the next year. And this 1 year period is called previous year. Normally it is called financial year, but in Income Tax 1961 Act there is a typical term which is called previous year. Previous year means the year in which we are earning, the year for which we are calculating the tax. So family members, this will be very useful. Second thing, some students may start practicing income tax as a professional. It is a very good career. Tax practitioner is a very good career. Direct tax and indirect tax GST practice. Many people are buying many flats together within age of 40 years just by practicing income tax and GST. So you can also do that. Very interesting subject. Just be focused for next 2-3 hours altogether. So advance tax is pay as you want mechanism. Who are mandatorily liable to pay advance tax? Whose advance tax liability is rupees 10,000 or more. That means suppose at the beginning of year I can estimate that I will have to pay income tax, but my advance tax liability is not more than 10 years. That means less than 10,000. So I am not liable to pay advance tax. I may or may not. Nobody is prohibiting you from paying advance tax. You may pay advance tax always. You can pay more than the required installments, but you have to pay if your advance tax liability is 10,000 or more. So it is very much clear that those who have advance tax liability of less than 10,000, they are not liable to pay. Clear? That is the first thing. Who are the second category of individuals who are not liable to pay? Be careful. Resident senior citizens. Senior citizen means those who have completed 60 years during the previous year.